Okay everyone, so we have got our sales data up on the right hand side, and on the left hand side I've got all of my inventory filled in. So what we need to do is we need to go down to the bottom tabs. So you've got calculations, inventory and sales data. You want to click on sales data. You want to go over to your Word document now and click and drag to highlight the entire table. Make sure you start at 1 and move across and then down. And once you have highlighted the entire table, it does go over 2 pages. You want to press Ctrl C on the keyboard, click underneath your table headers and press Ctrl V. After we've done that, we want to actually sort out the product. So you want to click on product, go over to this icon here and click A to Z. And you can see that it's automatically organized your data. So now we're going to put in a formula for total price. So you want to go equals numbers sold times, and this time we're going to go to the inventory tab and then go up to our sale price for cheesy, and we need to lock it by pressing F4, so the function buttons at the top of your screen. Press enter. Alright, so now we can use our trick to click and drag this box down to copy the formula for just the cheesies. We do need to do this every time it changes. So again, equals number sold times inventory sale price for I think it's a pasty. You need to lock it, so you need to press F4 at the top of your keyboard and then press enter. Alright, so you need to continue with this, please. Okay, so now that we've done the total price, we're now going to do the profit. So this is how much the canteen has made during these transactions. So we go equals number sold times, we go to the inventory and we click on margin for cheesy. Make sure you lock it by pressing F4, press enter, and you can do your trick. So really simple, pretty much the same kind of formula that we use to get total price, but instead of sale price, we click on margin. So here we are in the inventory and you want to click on margin. Make sure you lock it by pressing F4. And you can use your trick when there's multiple of that same product. And yeah, so if you could continue please putting in the profit for each of these items, that would be great. Okay, so now that we've got both the total price and the profit, we're going to figure out the total of each of those. So we're going to type total, and then we're going to go up to the top to this icon here and click on auto sum. Now what happens is that it will automatically make an addition of all of these numbers in this column. Press enter and it will complete the function. Let's do that with the profit. So auto sum in the top right hand corner, and that's it. So we can see that the amount given to the canteen was $222 from the students, and they made a profit of about $168.3. Alrighty, so our next step is we're going to make a graph. So I'm highlighting both the product and the number sold. I'm going up to insert recommended chart, and it will automatically make this new sheet for you with that chart in it. So it's a lovely chart that you didn't even have to pull out a ruler for. And on the left hand side is a simplified table of that data. Now we can make another recommended chart using the same technique, so just highlighting that table, and this one is a pie graph. Now I've actually changed the name of that sheet, so the tab at the bottom called Monday Recess Chart. Okay, so now we're going to make a new table for our Wednesday data. So let's just have a look in our Word document. So we've got our Wednesday data there. We need to copy the heading from the sales summary Monday. So you click and drag over it, Control C, Control V, and I'm just changing the name from Monday to Wednesday. In our Word document, we want to select this table like we did before by clicking and dragging from one all the way across and down. Then Control C, Control V. Alright, so we're going to figure out the total using the same technique. So let's type in total here, and we're going to click across, go up to our auto sum and press enter. You can do that quite quickly. Now what we're going to do is we're going to figure out the difference between Wednesday data with and without specials. So we're going to copy over the header again. So highlight, copy, paste. Alright, so now we're going to rename that table to Wednesday Recess No Specials, and after that we're going to actually sort out our original Wednesday Recess data by excluding the specials. So in our original table, click on Product, go up to Sort and Filter, Filter, and click on the arrow that product has and tick or untick all of the specials. So bacon, egg roll, Chico roll, hot chicken roll, press OK. And it will do something weird with your data. It will make it a bit shorter. You want to copy that data and put it into the new table. So Control V, and then go back to that little arrow and retick all of those specials and press OK. So it brings it all back to normal. I'm just getting rid of this extra little line that accidentally happened by clearing it. And now I am going to figure out the totals of these sales without the specials. So there should be a significant difference, which there is. Okay, so what we're going to do with this data is we're going to transfer it to our calculations page. So head over to your calculations page in the bottom left hand corner, and I'll explain quickly what these tables are. So the one at the top is profit of the week with specials, so it's like a normal week, and then the one underneath is profit without specials. So click on the space next to Monday and type in equals, go to your sales data, and you want to scroll down and make sure that you are clicking on the profit for Monday. Press enter and it will transfer across. How easy is that? So now we're going to do this for Wednesday. So press equals, go to sales data, go to the profit of Wednesday and press enter. Okay, I'm just going to adjust the format. So I'm going to click on Wednesday and click on the $sign, and then I need to do it for Wednesday without specials. So click on the space, press equals, go to your sales data, and scroll up to our Wednesday without specials, and make sure you click on profit and press enter. I'm just going to adjust the format for this one as well. So click on that, go to the $sign. All right, so the very last thing that we're going to do is we're going to make 2 line graphs of this data. So you're going to highlight like I have here. You're going to go to insert, and we're going to go recommended chart, and you want to find one that is a line chart. So I'll show you mine in just a moment. Press OK, and there is my line chart for the profit that the canteen makes on a normal day-to-day basis with specials. So I'm going to change the title so it actually tells us that. So I have used profit with specials, and with my other line graph I'm going to put profit without specials. So highlight your second table as so, go to insert, recommended charts, choose your line chart, press OK, and you want to change the name. So again, you want to make it profit without specials, and then you're done. So we can have a look at what this actually shows us visually. So you can see that there's a significant dip in the second line chart on Wednesday compared to the chart above. And yeah, thank you.